And today we are going to be waxing my little cooter. My little cooter.
You move the way you groove it, turn me on. The way you wear that thing is like you Rihanna. Don't give me the long talk when you put it on me.
Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danica if you are not familiar, and if this is your first time here, go ahead, get comfortable, get some popcorn, get some treats, and we're gonna have a blast. So continue watching and then we'll get right into this video. Alright, so I have been on Amazon again. Yes, again. And I found this RioRand or RioRand, I don't know how to pronounce it, wax warmer kit. And I decided, why not? Let's try it out. And I am very nervous. I'm just gonna do a little unboxing. This is kind of like a review. I don't even know what to call it, but I'm excited to try it and I wanted to take you guys on the journey with me. So this is the box. You guys cannot really tell because my lights are blinding, but there's the box right here, and it comes with some, of course, the warmer. I haven't really opened it yet. It comes with the warmer, of course. This is what it looks like. It also comes with some wax beads. It has 4 packs of beads in different colors. We got a purple, a blue, a green, and a cute little pink. We also have the inside of the warmer that you put the contents in, and some, what kind of, these sticks are way too small. I got my own sticks that I can use, but it came with some sticks, helpful, and the instructions, of course. So I am gonna make the mixture, and today we are going to be waxing my little cooter. My little cooter. I don't know what you guys like to refer to your bestie as, but we're gonna call her my little cooter, okay? Yes, so I am going to make the mixture and just get right into it. I don't really want to waste no time or nothing, so yeah. I'm gonna mix. Take you guys along with me on that journey, get you some little ASMR action. Like how I see it on TikTok, the girls be pouring the beads, or let me shut up. And let me just do it. I'm rambling because I am nervous, so let's just get to it. So I cleaned the area up. I'm about to put some powder on there. Pray for me. I got my hair trouble back behind my ear and bare foolishness. I was so nervous, but I am doing this for y'all. Alright, and don't come for me. I know the top of my head looks crazy, but I didn't know what to after the fact. Alright, please don't come for me. Lord, give me strength to face another day. So it's on there. I'm just gonna let it do what it has to do. Do its thing. I wanna get all of the sides. So I'm just gonna be a champ and not a pussy and cover all the hair. I am going to regret this, but I'm here for a good time and not a long time. Right? That's what Drake's here, right? Right. So I have the entire area of my bikini line on one side that is covered. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and then I will rip it off. And I ain't gonna be a pussy. I won't be a pussy. I'm just gonna bitch. Quarter of it. Oh my god. See how hard it gets? It's not gushy or nasty. Oh god. Oh gosh, no. I don't know in which direction to pull. I just gotta let get up just a little portion. Oh my god! I'm nervous. As soon as I was about to rip off the thing just now, my camera battery died. Not my battery, my camera ran out of memory. So it's a good thing I procrastinated a little bit. All right. So, stop being a wimp, Danica. Just pull it. Oh, I so nervous. Alright, just do it. What's the worst? Like, it's gonna hurt for a little bit and then you're gonna be over it, right? Don't be a bitch. Just. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what? When I pull it slowly, it's pulling out the hairs. Should I just pull it slowly? No, don't be a poom poom then. I just pull the damn thing off. Right? Right. I gotta turn back on here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bitch, pull. I still can't bring myself to pull. Alright, 1, 2, 3. My hand's shaking again. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, that wasn't horrible. It was bad, but it wasn't horrible. Because it's like a small area. Right? So that side is done. Let's do the other side. So that we match at least. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I was just overreacting. As per. But we get the other side. These two sides is the easiest thing to me, I think, is when you get on that girl, is when it starts to pain. And I'm doing some real thick layers. I don't know if that's what I should be doing, but I kind of bring it up a little bit on the girl. On my little cooter. Looking at the one side, I would say it definitely works. It works. Gets the hair off, but don't be a vag like me. Okay? Lord, I messed up big razzle time with this. Oh my god. I really can't do this, guys. I can't. I'm just gonna give myself a Brazilian wax because I am not that ambitious to go in and do all this. You know, I'm scared. All right, I'm just gonna pull it. Oh God. What the heck, yo? Who do you ask tell me to try this? You know what I'm thinking? What's running through my mind right now? Just going in and putting on the rest so that I don't back out. Bad idea, right? Let me just see how this one goes. And then I would. This thing hurting so bad. Okay. I could just do the thing. You are not a wimp. You're not punk. You're not pussy. Just do it. I feel like I need music, but I can't play music. Oh. Yeah, I am definitely done. I get myself a nice little Brazilian. I'm scared of this. I'm scared of this, baby. Look at me. Licorice cunt. Talking about it done, but I'm still going back in for more. Oh my God. No, it's a no from me. I don't know when I will be trying this again. Hear me, I don't know when I'll be trying it again. But every time I pull off a set, I feel like, okay, that's not too bad. Every time I pull off a piece, I say that. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, that's not too bad. And it gets dry pretty fast, I would say. I just need to not be a wimp and pull it off and stop moving like a little bitch. Let me just give it a few more seconds. Then I'm gonna rip it off my skin. Ooh, I should have definitely gave that more time. Y'all, I feel like I can finish it because the way my shit is feeling smooth. I just need to finish it. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna bitch out. It's a tug. Alright, so I just put it on in 3 separate areas. Just waiting for it to get hard. So I definitely can't back out. Alright, strip number 1. Number 2. Got me a professional on this after I was being such a wimp. This is a big piece. Oh my god. Oh fuck. I'm done. I am done. I am, maybe on my second try I'll be able to do a better job, or maybe I'll come back later and attempt to do it again. But for the most part, I would say the paint is definitely a 9 out of 10, or maybe even a 10 out of 10. But if you're not a wimp like me, I'm pretty sure you could do it by yourself, no problem. I would definitely give the waxing kit 10 stars if I could, because it's that good. Super easy to use, even a novice could use it. If you can handle the pain, go for it, boo. Go for it. But yeah, don't be a wimp like me. I definitely give this product a 10 out of 10. You definitely should go pick it up if you can handle pain, or you could get somebody to do it for you too. That's what I probably should have done. But yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys were entertained. As painful as it was, I have fun shooting this. And yeah, can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.